I used the ring. It was very wonderful. I wish every woman gets it. I felt comfortable with it together with my partner. I have a partner. He never knew that I had it. I loved it for that. And then again, I loved the ring because I saw people suffering with HIV. I saw many suffering, especially women. For us women, we stay at home. Most of our partners, they move out.
Kakiza is just one of the 1,959 women who are currently using this life-saving ring, which scientists say has yielded a 60% efficacy among women between 21 to 45 years.
Nzenno munnange teyasooka kumbuulira era nti alina akaweta wansi awo nti nasigala ng'ebintu bigenda bulungi nga bwe byali bigenda era nakijja ku mikwano gye.
Uninterrupted sex is not all. Mosazi confesses this is an alternative to men using condoms on a regular basis.
Ndisiga ndika kuteekayo buli dakika nga olaba nti kondomu nti buli kanaku buli muntu wali waba alina kyagenda okukola ayambala kondomu naye nti mu mwezi akateekayo mulundi gumu so bakoze ekintu kirungi kiri makula eri abasajja tekalina kikakosa ku bukyala bwa musajja kisigala nga ebintu bigenda ddala bulungi nnyo toyinza kukategeera nti alina akaweta.
Dr. Flavia Kiwewa, the brain behind this research in Uganda, confirms the rubber-like ring releases an antiretroviral drug which occupies all the surrounding areas of the vagina and beyond, killing the intruding virus instantly.
The tenofovir tablets are pre-exposure prophylaxis. So you are having an antiretroviral-based pre-exposure prophylaxis. The antiretroviral drug will be able to protect you against HIV even before you get infection. So look at PMTCT, prevention of mother to child. Because we know that the child is exposed to HIV from the mother, the children are given, the mother is given drugs so that the child is not exposed. In the same way here we are having one of the partners infected, but you may not know that they are infected. And then you are being protected. You are given this drug to protect you before the infection is actually there. So what the ring does is when you insert it there, it has a drug called dapivirine. Still it is an antiretroviral drug. So dapivirine is in the ring and it's meant to be released slowly over that period of time when the woman has inserted it. So when you insert it down there, the drug will get out slowly and then go into the surrounding areas in your vagina, concentrate there so that by the time you sleep with someone who has HIV and there is HIV in their semen, that drug will help to fight against the infection. The infection does not enter your body through the vagina, and then you are protected against HIV. That's how it's supposed to work.
She, however, warns that once the ring is removed, drug levels drastically go down and one can easily get infected in case they indulge in intercourse with an infected person. Although the study targeted women from 18 years of age, it never yielded any good results among women below 21 years.
What is the effect of this drug among women 10 to 21 years of age? 21 years and over, and the effect actually went up from the 31 that we saw in the IPM study to 37%, and it went up to 56% in the O20 study. So we're seeing among older women there was a higher effect of the study product. However, when they looked at women 18 to 21 years, there was no significant effect of the product in both studies. That's critical, and I hope we can spend some time to understand that.
The study, which started in August 2012 and closed in June 2015, discovered, among other causes of failure in this age group, is the fact that young girls dread pregnancy more than they do acquiring HIV. But how exactly does one insert this ring? The life-saving innovation is composed of 25 milligrams of dapivirine drug. killing the notorious HIV is not all. Just like in the USA, vaginal rings that will serve both as HIV and sexually transmitted infections preventions as well as family planning tools are said to be manufactured. The new rings will be changed every after 3 months rather than monthly. On a good note, both the current users and the scientists confirm there are no major side effects realized so far. Other countries that were part of the study include Malawi, South Africa, and Zimbabwe. Once on the market, Dr. Flavia says each will cost just $5, a price below 20,000 Ugandan shillings. It might, however, take a longer while to get on the market as it is still undergoing intense audit procedures from WHO, National Drug Authority, and Food and Drug Administration in the United States. The ring is strictly for women who are still HIV negative. 60% of young women are living with HIV in Africa, especially sub-Saharan Africa. I am Fatuma Nalwanga for Urban TV.